你的麦有声音吗？
没有测，直接开始了，直接进去，打开微信。没有时间测了。微信。
微信。
这是我的666，我发的一个 QQ 链接。再往上，好。很慢吗？声音太大了。
就是这个，就是。
有声吗？那个慧。
等一下，我去那个软件里面看啊，它可能会压画质，不然。
你可以说个话，我听一下有声音吗？
喂，有音吗？能听到吗？
你不用，你直接说哈喽就行了，因为我直接开始了。
就开始了。开始了。
那说个话。
没有吗？没有。你确定这个 MS 不用动？
问一下没回我现在给他打电话。
现在呢？
说一句话是不是？再说一句。
是我们这边声音小吗？
明辉，喂。
你在那边能听到我们这边声音吗？
我看一下。
你的那个 YouTube 打开。啊？
可以听到。
可以听到。
啊，对。
可以听到。
清楚吗？
很清楚。
OK， 清楚的。
你俩的话。
开始说了吗？ Hello everyone, my name is Mary from Sunny Group. Today, I will introduce our company and our machine products. Our Sunny Group manufacture all kinds of solid waste recycling machines, like copper wire recycling machine, PCB recycling machine, lithium battery recycling machine, solar panel recycling machine, and kinds of single machines like shredders, crushers. We already have in this recycling area over 20 years and have much experience for exporting. And so far, we already exported to over 100 countries. And today, I will introduce you one of our main products, lithium battery recycling machine. As we know, now more and more scrap lithium battery are used out and as scrap over the world. Why we need to recycling lithium battery? Firstly, if we don't recycle them, it's very harmful to our environment. And secondly, as we know, there are much precious metals in the lithium battery, like cobalt, nickel, aluminum, copper, and plastic. And then use recycling machines to get the precious metals and sell them out. It's a good benefit. for the business. And okay, firstly, let me show you one of our workshop. Firstly, we can see this is our machining processing area. These are some spare parts. And we have a few dozen sets machining area, like the polishing machine, laser cutting machine. The main parts are produced by ourselves in order to better control the machine's processing and promise the delivery time. This one is our laser machine to cut the steel plate. There are some steels machine frame to assemble the machine. You can see the blue one is our bowl polish machine to polish the machine more bright and more clean.
这不是带的了吗？你后面客户专用啊？后面写的客户专用。
These are some ready single machines to be considered made of in the whole line. That part is for separate the plastic and metals. It's a shredder machine. You can see the blade for crushing some plastics, like hard plastic lumps. We have a whole line for recycling lithium battery, and now it's testing with the raw material for our customer. Later, I will introduce you how the machine works from A to Z. Okay, let's go. Firstly, we can show you the lithium battery raw material. Our machine is for recycling kinds of lithium batteries like mobile phone battery, soft package battery, and the cathode anode batteries. And this is the cylinder battery and the soft package batteries. Cylinder battery, and this part is soft package batteries, soft packages. Before recycling, the batteries need to be discharged in the salt water.
那个噪音太大了，机器在运行的。
那等会儿介绍的时候呢？
就静态，就设备静态介绍，尽量就远离他们，然后让大家看这个设备就行了。
我不一步一步的介绍这个车是干啥的吗？
那么这个是后期的。
那是不是？那行，先从远处给他介绍吧。First, bringing the materials into the grinder by the conveyor. My friends, our machine now is running with the raw material. By the machine recycling, we can get the separate black powder, copper, aluminum, and plastic to separate. Now I introduce you the machine's function one by one. Okay. Before crushing, the batteries need to be discharged in the salt water from 7 to 10 days, enough to discharge. Avoid during the processing, the electrolyte will be born, and you can see. 走吧，跟着我走吧。This is the input conveyor to convey the raw material into the shredder machine. The shredder machine is used to shred the material into about 3 to 5 centimeters. And then the shredded material will be conveyed into the carbonization furnace. The furnace can paralyze the plastic film and adhesive layer, and also to dry the electrolyte. Also can protect the environment. And then go to the bucket conveyor. And this part is magnetic roller separator to remove the iron shells. and rotating roller, magnetic roller to remove the iron firstly. Then the material will go into the drum machine to collect the black powder, and 40% black powder will be collected by this machine. And then you can see the drum screen. There is a hammer crusher under the drum screen. The hammer crusher is to crush the material much smaller size to easily separate the metals and the black powder. And then you can see a same machine also for collecting the black powder. And the black powder will go one way and drop into the bag. The bag. After the second black powder collection machine, then the material will go to the grinder machine. The grinder machine is to grind the material like a powder size for following separation, separate the metals and black powders. That one is a grinder machine. After grinding, the material powder shape will go into the round screen shape. It has 3 layers and can serve 4 grades. The first layer is for bigger size. The first layer is for collecting the bigger size like plastic films, and the second and the third layers are for aluminum and copper, and the first layer is for smallest powder, black powder. After the round screen, then the machine will go into the vibration machine. We call it air separator. The air separator is for separating the copper and aluminum. And for this step, we will get all final products like iron shells, black powders, copper, aluminum, and some plastic film. And for this whole line, we also match the waste gas collection device, like that part. This whole line is very friendly for environment, so my friends no need to worry about that. And if you have questions, you can leave our message, and later we will show you with the material testing.介绍完了，等会儿从那头，给再录一下，就是进料出料。Copper powder. And this is for black powder. for copper powder again. Another side is for aluminum powder. Another side is aluminum powder, because aluminum and copper has different gravity. This air separator separates the copper and the aluminum by their different gravity. And later we will show you again from A to Z by showing the different material discharge, like the iron, black powder, and the final metals from the beginning, feeding the materials begin.后南你跟他们去吧，你从头到尾我不会。不是，我已经介绍过了，他们就拍视频拍过来到这儿，这是干啥的？就是一个外壳，一个黑身，一个红绿。我自己都要想半天，这个是干啥的？不是从头再拍一下，到结尾，就是这次就。
面吗？
I will introduce again for the introduction of the equipment function.
看瀑布。
The pre-treatment process of the scrap lithium batteries is mainly to recycle waste batteries. After discharging, medical equipment is used to break carbonization, magnetic separation, air separation, crushing, gravity separation, screening, and other process, so that the powder on the anode and cathode can be effectively separated from the copper and aluminum foil. The raw materials of the lithium battery can be the cylinder lithium battery, ternary lithium battery, scrapped car lithium battery, lithium ion phosphate battery, power lithium battery, and other waste lithium batteries. According to the materials composition analysis of lithium battery, it contains a lot of valuable metals. Take the cell full battery as an example, which contains 15% cobalt, 14% copper, 4.7% aluminum, 25% oil, and 0.1% lithium. In 2006, the market process of the cobalt, nickel, copper, and aluminum reached 315,000, 312,600, 888, and 219.64 million Chinese yuan per ton, respectively. Recycling with lithium battery batteries will gain considerable economic benefits. Our machine have. Okay, next I will introduce the recovery rate of each materials. First is the black mass recovery rate. Recovery rate is about more than 98%. The content of aluminum in black mass powder is about 2%. Content of the copper in black mass powder is 2 to 3%. The copper recovery rate is about 95%. The aluminum recovery rate is about 90 to 95%. Next is purity. The aluminum purity is about 85 to 90%. The copper purity is about 93 to 95%. The carbonized anode and cathode materials can be actively peel off the anode and cathode powder from the metal after crushing. And the metal and anode powder can be preliminarily separated by the vibration screening based on the size difference and shape difference between particles. The complete set of the equipment operates under negative pressure without dust, spillage, and separation expectancy can reach over 98%.